In this video, we will talk about GitHub Classroom and online IDE Repl.it. We will show how to create the GitHub Classroom repository and make a program code file through the Repl.it and then make it show up in the GitHub repository. Before starting this work, we need to make accounts to log in the service GitHub Classroom and Repl.it. Visit the site, make an account, and then leave it as login. Now let's create the GitHub Classroom repository. You need the invitation link to create the repository. You can find the link in your Canvas or ask to your classroom faculty. By using this link, we can move to the GitHub Classroom site. Now let's click the invitation link and create the GitHub Classroom repository. Now your classroom repository has been created, and then click the link to move to your GitHub. Here is your GitHub repository. You can move to Repl.it by clicking the black icon in the readme.md file. I'm going to control click the black icon to open the Repl.it site with the new tab. Let's make a new file and then run this program. If you want to compile one particular file, just type G++ with your file name and then type /a.out to run your program. Now I'm going to show the relationship between the GitHub Classroom repository and your Repl.it site. First, I'm going to show the way how we can show the Repl.it file to the GitHub Classroom. When you have done with the file editing, you need to commit your changes to show up the GitHub Classroom. Here is quiz file number 1.cpp in your Repl.it site, but there is no programming file in your GitHub Classroom site. We need to commit your changes in the Repl.it site. Just click the version control and then leave some message to commit your changes. And then go back to GitHub Classroom site. And now we can see the program file just edited in Repl.it. Now I'm going to show the way the file in GitHub Classroom is pulled to the Repl.it site. In your GitHub repository, just click Add File and then click the Create New File. And then give some file name. And I'm going to make some comment message in this file. After editing this file, you need to click the commit with some message. And now we can see the created new file in the GitHub list. And now let's go back to the Repl.it site. There is no file just created in GitHub in my Repl.it site. Click the version control. Now we can see the pull button in version control window. Just click it and then go back to file menu. We can see the created new file in this Repl.it site. Now I'm going to show how we work together after you submit your program files. Once you commit your files, all changes are automatically recorded by the GitHub. I can go to your GitHub repository. I can see the list of your files, and also I can check your commit changes. And also I can access your files through the Repl.it site. And I can leave some message on your files. After I commit your files, you can see the My Comments. Let's go back to your browser view. If you click the commit message, you can see all the changes that I made. Let's summarize this video. You have a GitHub repository. The name is described here. With this repository name, you can go to your repository whenever you want. All these files can be edited through the Repl.it. After editing, you need to commit your changes to upload your repository. Once you have done with your file, I can edit your file and then you can figure out the changes by clicking the commit messages.